In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. You need to begin by locating Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then click on this plus icon next to 3 dots. Now you can adjust your alarm however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. Now you can click on Alarm Name section, label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and tap on Done at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Then click on all of those switches next to all of those features to switch them off or on. You can click on Alarm Sound over here. Change the volume of it by swiping left or right, and then pick one of those sections. I will go with Ringtone. Select Allow in the pop-up and tap on those two switches next to those two features to switch them on or off. You can pick one of those sounds by clicking on the best one for you and going back. You can also add music from your smartphone by tapping on this plus icon at the top right corner. Clicking on this switcher to switch off or on highlights. Clicking on the song and choosing Done at the top right corner. Now go back. Tap on Vibration and set up the best pattern for your incoming alarms. I will go with Tick-Tock. Lastly, select Snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then you can finally save your alarm by choosing Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can make some changes by tapping on it, changing whatever you wish to, and save them by clicking Save again. In order to disable your alarm completely, tap on this switcher next to it. You can switch it back on the same way. If you wish to get rid of it, you need to hold it, select Delete at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!